2026. In this video, I am going to share the 5 best business bank accounts that you need to check out for this year. So yes, if you are a business owner, a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or if you are just self-employed, listen, you definitely want to check out this video because this is going to be a game changer for all of my business owners out there to be able to go ahead and get the top 5 options out there that we recommend in 2026. So let's get into it.
This conversation about building up your blueprint. It's time to take it cause time is wasted. Go grind and chase it, don't lose it. This generation need integration with information to move with. An inclination that is abiding in entertaining improvement. Yep.
Hey, what's going on? Welcome to another episode of the Respect My Blueprint show, where we give you all of the gems, the game, and most importantly, the blueprint that you will be able to know to be able to go ahead and level up in personal funding, business funding, as well as entrepreneurship as well too. Okay, guys? Well, listen, if this is your first time checking out this channel, do me a huge favor. Take a couple quick seconds, hit the subscribe button as we are looking to go ahead and elevate the channel in 2020. We are wanting to be able to go ahead and grow the channel, help more entrepreneurs out there, and we can't do so without your help. So we need you to be able to go ahead and help us in doing so. All right. Well, listen, I'm super excited about this video here because I am going to be sharing with you guys some of the top options that you will need to be able to go ahead and open up a business bank account for yourself if you're an entrepreneur. Okay. Now, I know when it comes to opening up a business bank account, sometimes it may feel overwhelming. It may feel like a chore and everything like that. But guess what? Having the right business bank account is extremely important and vital for your business. So actually is one of the most powerful moves that you can make as an entrepreneur for yourself. Okay. So the first option we are going to talk about as far as business bank accounts out there. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and pull it up on our screen. The first option we have is Relay Bank. Okay. Relay Bank is a bank that's built for entrepreneurs who basically want full control and transparency over their business finances. Now, I really like this bank here because it puts a business banking in the control of the entrepreneur. As you can see here, they have a business banking that really can help you out and as they have a very clean dashboard, business debit card, mobile banking. But the great thing is that they're FDIC insured up to $3 million on all of their deposit, no monthly fees or minimum, which of course, as you guys already know, that if you can save any money or go with any institution that don't charge you any monthly fees or anything like that, that's always a plus, right? And the great thing about it, they have over 20 different checking accounts that you can select from. All right. So they pretty much have an option for any situation or any individual that's out there. And the great thing is you could also integrate your checking account with accounting software such as QuickBooks and Xero. So this right here is a great tool and a great option when it comes to business banking for a lot of my entrepreneurs out there. And matter of fact, it's actually been reported that Relay business users have saved an average of 5 hours per week on bookkeeping and cash flow management by being able to go ahead and integrate Relay into their bookkeeping software. Relay is a great way to be able to go ahead and separate things such as your revenue, your taxes, expenses. Lenders really love structured financial systems. And of course, Relay is one of the options that definitely highlights that. Okay. Now, Novo is another great option, which if you're running an online business, if you're a freelancer or running a side hustle, guess what? Novo is going to be practically your best friend. All right. And as you can see, it's smarter banking for whether you're a web developer, brand designer, and everything like that. Just like Relay, they charge no annual fee. Great. It's going to help you being able to go ahead and streamline and separate your business expenses. They have great things such as free ACH and instant refunds on most ATM fees. And it also, like the previous bank that we spoke about, is built-in integrations with the most popular and top accounting softwares and payment tools out there. And as you can see, where they have solutions for small businesses, self-employed, freelancers, consultants, Novo is a hidden gem that a lot of people not aware of. But again, as you can see, they've helped over 250,000 small businesses to date. And Novo is a great option that's pretty much low key. But if you're looking for a great online business bank account, Novo is one of the top options that I strongly recommend to a lot of my mentees as well as my students as well too. Okay. Now the next one that we are going to talk about this is a very, very well-known bank here that a lot of people are aware of, and one of the most recognized banks in the country, which is Chase. Okay, as Chase still remains one of the top banks, if not the top bank, and of course, when it comes to that, reputation matters, right? Okay, and the great thing about Chase is they are great to be able to go. They are a great bank when it comes to small businesses, right? They have nationwide branch access. And great thing, as you can see on their website right now, they're running a promotion where you can earn up to $500. Okay. So by opening up a new business complete checking account, you'll be able to go ahead and qualify to get up to $500 for simply opening up a business checking account with them. Okay. And the great thing about Chase right now, they're offering free merchant processing with their Chase Quick Accept, as well as their account also syncs with some of the top payroll options out there like Gusto as well as QuickBooks as well too. So as you can see, Chase they also have a way where you could be able to go ahead and mitigate or even eliminate the monthly service fee by one of the qualifying activities that you would be able to do so within the account. So I really like Chase as far as if you want a reputable national bank to be able to go ahead and do business with. Of course, there's other options out there, but when it comes to one of the best options and most recognized and one of the top tier banks out there, I strongly, strongly recommend Chase as a bank for you guys to check out. All right. So now moving along, we're going to go ahead and make this very quick and get straight into the option number 4, right? And the option 4 is none other than Bluevine. Bluevine, ladies and gentlemen, is another bank that's pretty low key. It's a hidden gem that a lot of people are unaware of. And Bluevine, they bridge the gap between banking and business credit. So if you want an option that'll give you banking as well as being able to go ahead and access business funding for yourself, Bluevine checks both of those boxes for you. And reason being is because, of course, not only do they offer up to $3 million in FDIC insurance, which now that's becoming a standard now for a lot of business checking accounts. It has no monthly fees also. But guess what? You could also earn up to 3% APY on your money as well too by opening up a small business checking account. Yes, so most institutions only offer you interest on savings account. Well, guess what? Bluevine is one of the few banks that's going to give you interest on a business checking account. So this is a reason why this is another great option out there. And the great thing is they have different funding solutions such as their business lines of credit as well as their business loans, which goes up to 200,000. And so you definitely would like to check out Bluevine as they're A-rated with the BBB, have over 9,000, close to 10,000 reviews on Trustpilot. So definitely they have a strong reputation by servicing as well as providing good customer service as well too. Okay, so as a matter of fact, if I'm not mistaken, Bluevine has funded over $14 billion in small business loans just in 2025, and nearly 40% of those went to new LLCs that was established 12 months or under 12 months. You listen, if you're a new entrepreneur, if you're a small business that's just getting off the ground, I highly, highly recommend Bluevine as a great option for you. As you can see, a lot of the great features and capabilities that Bluevine offers with its small business checking account. All right. So far we've covered 4 of the 5 small business checking accounts that I highly recommend in 2026. I would like to go ahead and let you guys know that, listen, there's plenty of options out there that you can select from. But again, these options are what we have recommend based upon our research to be able to check every box, whether if you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or a consultant. These are one of the great options that a lot of people are not talking about. And I believe that if you could do so, you'll be able to go ahead and maximize the potential and value that each one of these banks do have to offer. Okay. So the next and last option out there is another nationwide bank, and that is US Bank. Okay. They are one of the top 5 largest banks in the United States. US Bank is another great bank. And the main reason why I'm suggesting this bank here, as you can see, you can get up to $1,200. Yes, as you guys can see, that is a lot of money as a sign up bonus. Yes, up to $1,200 you can receive by opening up a business checking account with US Bank. This is a promotion that they're running. Highly encourage you guys to be able to go ahead and check this out. So if you want to be able to go ahead and put some more money back in your pocket, listen, this is a great option here. And of course, with US Bank, they have 0 monthly fees if you be able to go ahead and set up e-statements with them. You can also, very easy online application process. You could actually open up your account online in as little as 10 minutes or less, guys. Yes, 10 minutes or less. I bank with this bank here for one of my businesses, and I open up my account online with them. And it was a very easy process. Once you complete the online application, the representative is going to give you a call, go ahead and confirm everything. You fund your account, and after that, you are ready to rock and roll. Okay. And the great thing is, like most banks out there, it has free Zelle transfers and mobile deposits. You could also you could integrate your bookkeeping tools with them as well too. So US Bank, I highly recommend this, as actually it was ranked as the number 2 bank nationwide in small business customer satisfaction by JD Power. So if you want to be able to go ahead and bank with a reputable bank that's going to give you top-notch service, highly recommend US Bank as an option for you guys out there. So, just a quick recap here, guys. Of course, the 5 banks that we have covered. The first one is Relay Bank. Relay Bank is a great bank where they have over 20 different checking accounts you'll be able to go ahead and select from, as well as they offer FDIC insurance up to $3 million. Novo is another great option, more designed for freelancers and consultants, as that's a great option. So you'll be able to go ahead and integrate your payment processing, whether it's a Stripe, PayPal, or things like that, to be able to go ahead and keep your business a lot more organized. Chase, of course, is the third one. Chase, the number 1 nationwide most recognized branch, a bank out there with nationwide branches, but they offer up to a $500 sign up bonus, which right there is a great option to be able to go ahead and put some money back into your business's bank account, right? Number 4 was Bluevine. Bluevine, of course, is one of the few, this is a hidden gem. Bluevine is one of the few banks that actually gives you interest on a business checking account, up to 3%, which that is phenomenal right there. A lot of banks just offer it in the savings. Bluevine offers it in the checking as well too. Most important, you'll be able to access business lines of credit as well as a business loan. And last but not least, US Bank. US Bank, top 3 banks when it comes to business customer satisfaction. But most important, you can earn up to $1,200 as a sign-up bonus, right? That right there, we're talking about some major coins that you can be able to go ahead and get your business set up. So that is the top 5 business bank accounts that we are recommending for 2026 here, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, there's many options out there, but again, in order to be able to go ahead and separate your personal and business finances, you want to be able to select a bank that's going to be able to give you the most value, the best customer service, zero to little fees or monthly fees or things like that. And also that gives ancillary funding services, business credit cards, business lines of credit, business term loans. You want to be able to bank with a bank that has all of these particular options. All right. Hey, what's going on, Blueprinters? This is a video that I want to go ahead and share with you guys to encourage you guys to go ahead and join the Blueprinter community. If you want to go ahead and level up to that next level in building generational wealth, as well as empowering yourselves on financial literacy and credit literacy, I definitely encourage you to go ahead and join the Blueprint movement. We have some great things that's up and coming down the pipeline of this year. Many of you guys know my rags to riches story started actually right after the pandemic. With that story and my experience during that time frame of me being a successful serial entrepreneur, launching the different ventures that we're launching here, I felt like it's an obligation for me to go ahead and share it with you guys in my experiences, as well as, the trials and tribulations that I was able to learn and overcome. With that being said, guys, definitely go ahead and join the Blueprinter community. Tap in with us. We have some major things coming down the pipeline. I'm very excited with the movement. I'm very excited on where we're going. I'm definitely encouraging you guys to definitely tap in and join us, man. Listen, not only are we going to show you how to build generational wealth, but we're going to have a good time in doing it. All right. So tap on in with your boy. All right. See you later. Bye. Listen, if you want to be able to go ahead and learn more on how to be able to go ahead and get business funding and business capital, check out the Uptrend business software. This is a all-in-one business solution software that we have created, we've designed, and we've launched in 2026 to help business owners to be able to go ahead and access capital and properly structure their business. Well, you'll get access to your business credit scores, your business credit report. And guess what? It has an AI engine that will go ahead and help you get funding as well, too, all with the click of a button. All right. So if you want to learn more, check out the link down below. Also, we have a free school community that we are helping entrepreneurs like yourself to be able to go ahead and access business funding. All right. Well, listen, if you got a lot of great value from this video, all right, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and drop a comment, as me and my team, we definitely respond to all comments, and we want to be able to help more entrepreneurs in 2026. Also, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and hit the bell notification so you're kept up to date whenever we drop videos like this. But thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tapping in. And of course, as always, we're going to catch you on the flip side. Take care, guys. Peace.
Blueprint. Yeah, blueprint. This conversation about building up your blueprint. It's time to take it, cause time is wasted. Go grind and chase it, don't lose it. This generation need integration with information to move with. An inclination that is abiding in entertaining improvement. Yep, Wesley Paul with Blueprint. This guests are exclusive. Get on and tune in and then learn some new tips about credit, finance, investment. A nice chance to get rich and buy land. Flip it, quick 9 bands. Learn all the skills from Wes, he did it. Learn how to build successful business. Run up a mill and get the digits. Run up a mill. Look, safe place where guests are speaking. Based off financial freedom. All facts, no cap, believe it. Podcast, you have to see it.